Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR1616 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will restore your key fob's functionality quickly and easily, saving a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The case should separate with a soft click. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR1616 battery. Now, take your new CR1616 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the case is securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.